Welcome to Zunairah channel. I'm making spring roll today using potato, carrot, parsley leaf, chili padi, lime juice, ginger, cumin seeds, sea salt, garam masala. Alright, so heat up your pot with butter and some olive oil, and you can cook your carrot and potato first. We put the cumin seed first just for 10 to 15 seconds, and then we add the carrot and potato. Alright, so put it on a small fire and cover, so you will not get like a deep frying, you get still like a steaming effect. Alright, and then after that I add in the very finely chopped ginger, parsley leaves, and also a pinch of salt, garam masala, and still mix them well. And also again chili padi, and on a very small fire we are going to cover it and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Alright, now 10 minutes passed, so it's already dried up a little bit because of the garam masala powder. Then now it's ready. Close the fire and squeeze your lime juice. Alright, get ready your spring roll sheet. Don't worry if your spring roll sheet is crumpled or you know it's your first time. Don't worry at all. Keep trying. Practice make perfect. It's very easy. And don't throw your crumpled sheets, okay? Even if it's broken, you don't have to throw it. For your own cooking at home, for your first timer. But of course, if you are serving it to a guest, you are working in a hotel or other things, of course you have to be perfect. But for your own self, don't throw it. Continue doing. Keep rolling. Alright, keep rolling slowly, and then you make like a diamond shape. You put 2 tablespoons or 1.5 tablespoons of the fillings, and then you fold them like you're folding an envelope, and you keep rolling. Alright, and then you can paste or seal your spring roll with either with an egg, or you can also use a corn with a flour with water. Alright, and then you heat up your pot with butter and olive oil, and you fry it. For me, I'm frying one side. I'm not going to do a deep fry, so I have to turn it over. So there you go. I'll just put it on a small fire. Alright, and I play around. You see, it looks good after frying, so don't throw away your crumpled sheets. Alright, because once you fry, nobody can see that it's crumpled, trust me. Alright, so I got about 8 pieces of spring rolls, and I dip it with tomato ketchup. Thank you for watching.